Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the HomePod Mini. Now this is the Space Gray HomePod Mini. Apple says it has a full range driver, dual passive radiators to deliver deep sound and bass. I've seen some reviews and they say the audio is very clear, even at max volume compared to other speakers. So let's get into it. I already pre-cut the plastic, so just makes it easier for doing the unboxing. So we'll throw that away and we'll open it up. I do like before we do, just so I'll give you a look at the packaging. It's kind of nifty with what they did with the Mini logo and just the top there. So let's open it up. Opening, there it is. Look at that. This is my first HomePod ever. The material feels very nice, very premium. Yeah, so that's your touch panel there. Like, it also glows when it's doing interactions, but I can definitely see this. Yeah, I can see it already. Getting fingerprints. So let's take it out of the box, put the box down for a minute. So that's what it looks like from the bottom. It goes to USB-C. It's actually got a little bit of weight to it, but it feels very premium. That material feels really nice. So yeah, that goes to USB-C, whereas the regular HomePod, it just connects directly into the outlet. So we'll just hold this up. So what else you get is just your typical paperwork, your stickers, stuff that doesn't really matter. And funny enough, it comes with the 20-watt USB-C power adapter. It's pretty amazing, well, pretty crazy in 2020 that we're surprised when we get a product and it comes with the power adapter and we don't have to buy that separate. The crazy part is, this is $99 US, $129 Canadian, and it comes with the power adapter, which Canadian runs for $25. I imagine US it's around 19 or 20. You buy an iPhone 12 Pro, that's like 10 times the price of this, and it doesn't come with that. Like, how crazy is that? So in all reality, US, you're paying about, 80 bucks. Canadian, around 100, just because of that power adapter. And my only complaint is it's white. Why they didn't have a separate glossy black one to match? I know it doesn't matter because it's going to be behind wherever you're placing it, but I don't know, it would have been kind of nice. So that's what it comes with that. I was just going to give you a comparison to this is a Google Home Mini. So the HomePod Mini, it's 3.3 inches tall, 3.9 inches, wide. So just to give you some perspective, yeah, it's quite a bit taller. So I haven't used this myself yet, just based on the reviews, which I kind of agree with. If you're looking just to control some lighting, change your temperature without having to physically do it, you can easily do that with like a $30 smart speaker like a Google Home Mini or a Amazon Alexa. Much cheaper. Like, you could probably buy 3 of these for the price of this, if that's what you're looking to do. If you're deep into that Apple ecosystem, you have Apple Music, this is great for that. Because this is really based around sound quality rather than, smart home. Because it has Siri, which we all know what Siri is like. But anyways, there you have it. So again, this runs for 99 US. I paid 129 Canadian. So that's all I have for you today. I'm gonna get this thing plugged in and get using it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. If you plan on buying one, you know, if you have any questions, just ask me. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.